All right, 2023 Ram 1500, and we're going to be installing this Flowmaster FlowFX Muffler. So I know most of y'all probably know what a stock Ram sounds like, except for 2023, they're missing that front resonator, so they do sound a little bit different. So let's just listen to it stock. So this is kind of difficult to see, but right, these are the cats post-merge. This is typically where the resonator is, but you can see it's just not there. So it could just go straight all the way back until the big ass muffler. All right, so here we are at the back of the muffler. Got it marked. There's a bulge here. I want to just go slightly before the bulge. And we haven't even got the truck jacked up because I just don't feel like jacking it up. So we're gonna go ahead and use our brand new Sawzall. Just zip it off. All right, so my cut is a little bit crooked, but it'll be fine. Now we just got to get it off all the hangers and then undo those two bolts. All right, so to make this a little bit easier on myself, instead of trying to get these hangers off up underneath the truck, just unbolted this whole brace. It's mounted on studs, and there's two little 13mm nuts. They really weren't even very tight at all, so it'll be much easier to get the hangers off with it out of the vehicle, and then we can put this bracket back up and then toss that new muffler on. So let's get this off. And there we go. I didn't show this. That took all of 30 seconds. I should have, but you know, this guy's on here like this. An easy way to get them off is just with a flathead. So put them on like through the back right here until you can get the flathead on this portion, and then just pry really hard and it'll just pop these off. All right, here we go. FlowFX. It's all mounted up, clamped tight. Even with my crooked ass cut, you still couldn't see it through the like joints that they put in this, you know, so it actually clamps. But I'm gonna get you guys set up out there and we're gonna do a cold start. All right, so I didn't like the clip that I recorded yesterday, so it's been sitting overnight. It's about the same distance as the clip of the stock exhaust, so let's hear it. And this is a clip of hot idle. The cold idle is significantly different, so